Unveiling the meaning of "in spades," an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and phrases. Today, we are diving into a phrase that you might have heard but perhaps found a bit puzzling: in spades. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How can you use it in a sentence? Stay tuned as we uncover the answers to these questions. In spades is an idiomatic expression used to emphasize the extent or intensity of a particular quality, condition, or action. When someone has something in spades, it means they possess a lot of it, often to an extreme degree. For example, if someone is very talented at playing the piano, you might say they have talent in spades. The phrase "in spades" has its roots in the game of bridge, where the suits are ranked with spades being the highest. To have something in spades means to have it in abundance, or to the highest degree possible, much like having a lot of the highest ranking cards in a game of bridge. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use "in spades" in sentences. 1. She has confidence in spades, always ready to take on new challenges without hesitation. 2. Here, "in spades" emphasizes the person's abundant confidence. 3. The novel was a success, and the author's storytelling ability was evident in spades. 4. In this case, "in spades" highlights the high degree of the author's storytelling ability. 5. Despite his quiet demeanor, he has a sense of humor in spades. 6. This sentence suggests that the person is very funny, even though it might not be immediately apparent. While "in spades" is a useful and vivid expression, it's important to use it in the right context. It might not be well understood by English learners or people who are not familiar with idiomatic expressions. So, make sure your audience will be able to grasp the meaning when you decide to use this phrase. And there you have it, folks. We've demystified the phrase "in spades," exploring its meaning, origins, and how to use it in sentences. We hope you found this video enlightening and that you can now use "in spades" confidently in your own conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative English language content. See you next time.